Hi friends, I'm Aparna from the channel Craft Mania by Aparna, and this is my kids room. I have already given tour of this room to you in my previous video. If you have not seen it, I'll provide you link in the description box below. And behind me is my baby's activity board, which I have made on this waste wooden piece which I already had from my previous projects. I have just hung that on nails, and I have assembled some really inexpensive things like this Chinese phone. Which has a lot of lights and sounds, so my baby just love it. Then this is cycle horn, some play horns. This is bicycle horn. Again, these are some tires, some wheels. This is basketball. One. अनिका बेल रिंग कर दो हॉर्न ब्लो कर दो हॉर्न अनिका हॉर्न ब्लो कर दो ब्लो द हॉर्न ब्लो द हॉर्न blow the horn. You'll also like my other ideas which I am going to post in my next episodes, so please subscribe to my channel, and you can also check out my previous videos. They are quite interesting. I'm sure you will get some amazing tips for your home decor and toddler management. So see you next week. Till then, take care.